Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable night light for eye comfort in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. First of all, you have to go to taskbar and click here. Here you can see the option of night light. You have to turn off this or turn on this. And there is another way. You have to go to settings, click on system, go to display. Here you can see night light. You have to turn off this button and turn on this button. So this is how you can enable night light for eye comfort in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.